Good morning everyone. Today we will discuss our new topic, material used to build house. Means what the things by which we make our houses. Now people from different part of the world build different types of houses to live in. Yes, you can see in your nearby surrounding area there are different types of houses and they made their house by different ways. Now different material are used to build the different houses. Now the material used to make houses depend on where these houses are built. Now you can see that the bungalow made of bricks and cement. In your house you have seen that your house is made up of cement and the bricks, but mostly this have been found in the cities area. Now you can see in this picture there are different types of houses. First is hut. Now hut are made of mud and straw. You can look over the picture. It is made of mud and straw. Now they are usually found in the village area. If you will visit to village, you will look the huts. Now sleep. Now these houses usually made of wood and bamboo, and we find such houses in Assam where it's rain a lot. Means in the rainy area like Assam, these houses have been found, and there the pillar is made up of bamboo and their height is large and they made up of wood. Now this side you can look over that tent, and they usually made of strong cloth. We find peoples in the desert and mountain living in the tent. Mostly the people use this tent for the picnic purpose. If they visit for the travel for a long distance, then they carry the tent, and the people's doing picnic in the desert or in the mountain area, they usually use the tent for their living in the night purpose. Now, a houseboat is made of wood. We find this houseboat in the Kashmir and Kerala. Mostly, this house is made in the boat, and they travel in the water surface area, like in Kashmir and Kerala. You see in the picture, it's a shape of a boat, and in that shape, there is a house, and all the things have been found there. And the most of the people used to for traveling in a cool and in a pleasant way, so this boat has been made to travel in that areas. Now an igloo is made of a block of ices. The Eskimos live in the igloo. You can see in the picture, it's a shade of the ice cube which have been made by the ice cube, and most of these in the ice area there is a heavy snowfall, so there is a very cold situation. So the peoples living in there, mostly the Eskimos, live in these igloos. Now house made of bricks, stone and cement are called pakka house. Yes, again I will repeat, house made of bricks, stone and cement are called pakka house. Now these houses are strong. Yes, they are very strong. Means that the rain, otherwise storms or many can think easily can't block them. And a house made of mud, wood and straw are called kacha house. Now if you see that earthquake comes or the heavy wind blows or heavy rain occur, then mostly these houses break down or fall down because they are not so strong as pakka house. Now these houses are not strong as pakka house, as I told you. There is a big difference between these two, because in the pakka house the material need to make the houses are bricks, stone, cement, which makes the house very strong, which protect them in each and every weather climate. And in the kacha house is not so strong as the pakka house. They are very weak, and they can easily break down, and you see that when this heavy storm occur or heavy rain occur, they suddenly fall down because they are very weak. So they for making the house, we should always try to make pakka house, because the material used for making the pakka houses are very strong. They protect us from many types of weather. Now today we have learned about the different types of houses in this our topic. Now as I told you that pakka house, kacha house and the tent, sleet and the huts, they all are the different types of houses made in our earth, but the most strongest one is the pakka house, and mostly this used in our town area, because mostly if you will visit to village area, there are the herds, but now the villager people also are developing too much, and they are also trying to make the pakka house. So now you will also visit to the your village area, then you see that whether there is a pakka house or kacha house the people are developing or not, you will see and you will try to notice about them. This will make a great experience in your life that you have done a big project about yourself. So try to make a project like this by visiting your village